scale your kitchen deserves. Accurate, reliable, and efficient. The Accuweight 201B. The kitchen scale for measurements, recipes, dieting, and more. With a convenient LCD display. The Accuweight includes multiple different units of measurement and a weight tare function for measuring items and containers. A strong, easy-to-clean tempered glass surface, featuring an elegant black design with 11-pound capacity. And now, you can use your Accuweight outside of your kitchen. Become a meal prep master. Get your diet under control. The Accuweight 201B.
Hello, we are Ohio from Swans. We have researched the lunchbox problems in the market and finally developed the perfect bento for everyone. Introducing Ohio Bento. Ohio is perfectly leak-proof. Comes with an insulated bag, suitable to bring anywhere. When you're ready to eat, the bag is able to transform into an eating placemat. Ohio made your food warm even longer, thanks to the insulated bag and unique silicone protection. Equipped with built-in cutlery. If you love soup, you're gonna love our soup cup. Perfect for drinking soup. If you accidentally spill, don't worry, as the mat is easily cleaned. Made with fine solid porcelain, Ohio is very easy to clean. Its silicone lid is designed in one piece to prevent any trapped dirt. No leftover stain or smell. Equipped with ventilation plug. Perfect for microwaving, steaming, or even baking. Ohio comes in different colors, sizes, and full set accessories. Perfect for anyone, anytime. Ohio Bento, your perfect companion.
Introducing Fresco, the hands-free vacuum sealer. With just one touch, Fresco seals your food airtight and keeps it fresh up to 5 times longer. Fresco has optimized settings for both moist and dry foods. Whether it's meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, leftovers, chips, or even eggs, Fresco keeps your fridge full and your trash can empty. And when it's time to cook, your food comes out with all the flavor and moisture you'd expect. No freezer burn, no dehydration, and you can taste the difference. Other vacuums have useless steps that only slow you down. Fresco trims all the unwanted fat and does everything in just 3 steps. Simply insert your bag, press the button, and Fresco does the rest. For roll bags, Fresco has a dedicated seal button to use before vacuuming. For reusable bags or Tupperware, Fresco has an external vacuum with an air tube built in. When used with wine, it'll help preserve the quality and taste.
Vacuum sealing is the perfect way to marinate your food, and it's the first step to sous vide cooking. You can boil your vacuum food. It reheats your food without getting it too mushy or drying it out. And when you're finished, Fresco's bottom lid comes off for easy washing.
Fresco is the most affordable, convenient way to make your food last 5 times longer. Pre-order Fresco today, and the next time you watch this, you'll have everything you need to make this.
Can you imagine your life with no labels? First taste of sweetness on a new morning quickly fades away at the sight of all the spices mixed up, or anxiously rummaging through the papers. A moment at work is lost. What a mess, right? Now, you can organize your life in just 10 seconds. Here comes a little helper, the world's cutest and funniest customized label maker, Cutie. Wake her up. Type what you want in the app. Print and cut. Get what you need. Cutie, born with ergonomic design, safe ABS plastic, inkless technology, a handy assistant for home organization. With an app with multiple functions, customize your own exclusive labels anytime. Fast and quiet printing, so you can get what you want in 10 seconds and no longer mess up. With Cutie by your side, every day is a lovely day. Unique waterproof labeling technology for long-lasting labels. Once the Cutie gets into your life, it is everywhere. Makes toys organization more beautiful and elegant. takes care of your important medication, puts your frequently used electrical cables where it belongs, gives your daily cosmetics a beautiful makeover, tastes the sweetness of life with you, shares in your joys. Comes with fast and convenient Type-C charging port. 2 hours is all it takes to refresh and be vigorous. Live with a light heart together with your little cute cutie. Make your every day a cutie.